beautiful Amazon rainforest. Our nature can be beautiful, but sometimes not that much. In our Amazon rainforest, there can be big animals and small animals. But there's just one insect that particularly catches my eye, and do you know what that is? 1, 2, 3. The velvet worm. Fun fact, the velvet worm has a bunch of legs, but it hunts its prey more uniquely than the others. What these velvet worms normally eat are small mammals because it's carnivores, but it uses its saliva to catch all of its prey, like this. But velvet worms are just unique. It crawls around with over 100 legs, and it hunts all of its prey using this white stuff called saliva. Luckily, the velvet worms won't hunt you, but it's gonna hunt like small animals, like mammals, like butterflies and stuff like that. And anyways, I do not enjoy cleaning my room, but there's just one bird in particular that likes cleaning its room. And do you want to know what it is? Well, luckily, its name is gone after the western parotia. Luckily, this type of species is really unique because the western parotia is yellow and black. Isn't that cool, right? Right? This bird, as the western parotia, it loves to set its territory on ground during mating season. And once it has its territory climbed, it's gone to clean its territory to attract the female. Just like this western parotia that we see right here. Cleaning noises! Tweet, tweet! Anyways, once it's all cleaned, a female western paranoia will come down and check if it's actually clean because, you need proof. And the male western paranoia is gonna dance for the female like this. Luckily, this scene we caught here is the male western paranoia meeting and greeting the female. But do you want to know the scariest one of them all? Well, guess what? It's the most one, and it is called the mountain tarishu. Ha! Well, what do they eat, you ask? Well, these mountain tarishus, they eat this thing called a pitcher plant, and this pitcher plant is full of sweetness. So, this mountain tarishu that we see right here is going to be eating a pitcher plant today. And you know what? In return for feeding the mountain tarishu is gonna give the pitcher plant this thing called fertilizer, also known as poo, but I want to be fancy and stuff. Anyways, next up we have the Philippines eagle, and today this Philippines eagle is already 2 months old, and this Philippine eagle that we see here is already trying to fly without its mom or dad to help. Sorry, I burped. Anyways, let's just watch it walk and try to fly. Watch this amazingness. Oh, you got this, Philippines eagle, go! Yeah, well, guess what? After 2 weeks of practice, this Philippines eagle is all ready to go catch its own mammals. and go hunt itself. Anyways, next up we have the orangutan. Normally, an orangutan's behavior is that they like to swing from trees to tree, just like this one that we see right here. Whee! Normally, orangutans eat tiny fruits like this one that we see right here.